I am going to do the coffee souffle, which is good for after dinner pudding. So, we will see how we are going to make it. The gelatin and the coffee to be diluted in a little water, that is warm water. I'll pour little water to make it warm. After you warm the water, what we have to do is, I have taken about 3 teaspoons of coffee. It's mainly Nescafe is the best, which I am going to dilute that coffee in this warm water. Roughly about 3 to 4 teaspoons I need. Just mix it and keep aside. Now I take the gelatin. Gelatin I have taken 4 teaspoons. So 4 teaspoons if I take, I need again boiling water, say about 6 to 7 teaspoons of hot water to dilute this gelatin. This we will keep it. Now I have the coffee and the gelatin which I have used it. Now what I am going to do is, I don't need this water now. Now what I am going to do here is, I am going to take the milk. Now when I take the milk, 3 cups of milk, measuring cup or a teacup like this. I want to show you how I could make it. You know, the 3 teacups is 1 pint. So to get 3 teacups, see, if I take 1 teacup, can you see? It is exactly 1 cup with the measuring spoon. So it's the same thing. So what I am going to do is, I am taking 3 teacups, full teacups of milk. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to use the 2 egg yolks, beat it at that also. The coffee that I have mixed and kept. Now I need a little cocoa. I need a teaspoon of cocoa. That's all. Cocoa you don't have to dilute. That also we can use it into this. Mix it nicely. Now I am going to add the sugar. 100 grams of sugar. Another thing that we need is corn flour. Corn flour I need 3 dessert spoons. 3 dessert spoons. While mixing, it's hot now, it's getting boiled. Lastly the gelatin. All that together. Now cook till it gets thickened. We have to always remember, when cooking this, what we have to do is keep on stirring, 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 so that it will get cooked very fast. See, in no time it has got cooked, and the corn flour made it thicker, and there should not be any pieces in it. Nicely cooked and taken. We will leave this aside. I need egg white. Can you remember, we put 2 egg yolks here. So my 2 egg whites are there. So the 2 egg whites which I am going to do now is to beat it very well. 2 egg whites beat very stiff. Once egg white gets stiff, I will add a little salt, a pinch of salt, and I will use sugar. 1, 2 dessert spoons of sugar. Nicely creamed very well. Now what I am going to do is, if I like, when I say if I like, it is the whipping cream. If I want, I can use a little whipping cream into this, make it a little more tastier. So 1, 2, 3 tablespoons of whipping cream. That is roughly about a cup of whipping cream, beaten whipping cream is used. Now what I am going to do is, little by little, I have to use this mixture, coffee mixture. Though we said coffee, always the coffee need a little bit of cocoa also. So all that I have mixed it together. Cocoa is a little only. We don't put too much of cocoa. Only just to give a little taste and flavor that we have used the cocoa. Now we will beat this once so that if everything gets mixed well. I didn't make it too fast also because I have a little more things to add into that. What is the thing that I am going to add now is vanilla essence, right? We need vanilla essence for this. Say about half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. It's a coffee souffle, so we need a teaspoon of coffee essence I have used here. Now beat it nicely till it gets nicely mixed. Now this is actually ready. Pudding is almost ready. Only thing that we have to do is we have to keep to set. So we will put into another bowl and keep it in the fridge for it to set at least half an hour, so that if I want I can decorate it nicely with a bit of decoration. Coffee souffle is ready, but I have to decorate it so that it will look better for us to have this. So whipping cream I have put into another cone and kept it so that we can nicely decorate it. We'll see how I am going to decorate it. Now to decorate this whipping cream, I have taken a meringue nozzle. The decoration also with that. So now that looks really tempting. I'm sure you will love it because this is something everybody will love it. See how this pudding looks. This is my coffee souffle. I'm sure you will love it because I like this. This coffee souffle I prefer because I love coffee mixing with a bit of cocoa, chocolate, and it gives a real nice flavor and taste. Try it out and see how it comes.